How to make an original sound on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. Once you're in the TikTok homepage, you need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now tap on the gallery section on your right. Select a video and hit the next button. Preview the video and then hit the next button. Once you're in this page, select the audiences from this option. Then choose the Only You option. Once you're done, hit the Post button at the bottom right. Tap on Post Video from the pop-up. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, tap on this locked icon over here. Now open a video from here. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the option Use Sound from the bottom. It will bring you to this camera page. From here, tap on Gallery. Select the recently uploaded video. Then hit Next. As you can see, the audio has been replaced with the new one that we extracted earlier. So, by following these steps, you can easily make an original sound on TikTok.